I hope you like this one because I spent a lot of time on it. This is the competitor activity monitor template. And so it looks really complicated, but all it takes is one simple input. And you just input the company that you want to research and the company you want to actively know about. Usually, it'd be good to know about a competitor, or it'd be good to know about somebody that you work with, anything, any news about them. And so, and then this text box here, you're going to be putting your email. So it starts with putting this into a text generator, and it takes your information and makes a search query. From that search query, you go to a web search, and that web search will return a bunch of URLs. And so we're going to take all of those URLs, put it into the sequence nodes, which is going to separate each of them, and then individually search them and scrape from the web scraper and put all that scraped information into a text summarizer. And then, stay with me here, we're going to take that information, summarize it, put it into here, this small memory. And then it's going to get summarized. The conglomerate of all that information is going to get summarized into another text generator. And it gets summarized here, put into this rich text box, this final output, and it's going to be sent into your email with another text generator that makes the title for your email. So a little complicated, but at the end, what it's all going to do is it's going to go through several articles, summarize them for you, combine all of that information, and give you a summary of everything that's been happening with that company and any news or major updates that you need to know about. And so what's really powerful about this is you can set this to run. You can have an auto trigger, and you can be able to have it run every day or every week or every month. And so you can every day get an email without you having to do anything to get constantly updated on one of your competitors. And so when they come out with a new feature, or when they come out with a new strategy, or when they have some new product, then you can be able to know about it and you can respond to it quickly, right? And so you can be able to have this running constantly in the background without you having to do anything. And so if we look at this output that I got here, just from this day, it talks about the financial reporting, the market response and challenges, inventory management, and diversity, equity, and inclusion initiatives. So the AI, the way I've put it is it's supposed to be looking from the perspective of a competitor, right? You're from your same perspective for whatever company you want. The AI will take that perspective of how can we be able to use this information to be able to benefit us. That's what the AI is going to give you. So try it out. Try to run it for yourself, for somebody you compete with, or for maybe even a company that's part of your supply chain, or a company that you work with frequently, so you can stay up to date on them. And you can be able to put it in your email system, and you'll see it. It'll pop up every week, every day, how often you want to run it. But that's all it is here. So thanks. Bye.